Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making tompeyaki. Learn how to make tompeyaki, a delicious Japanese omelette filled with stir-fried cabbage. Perfect for a quick and healthy vegetarian meal. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1/8 of cabbage, oil, salt and pepper to taste, chuo sauce, mayonnaise, and scallions for toppings. For the omelette, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of water, a little salt. Step 1. Shred the cabbage and chop the scallions. Step 2. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Stir fry the cabbage until it softens. Season with salt and pepper, then transfer to a plate. Step 3. Combine the eggs, potato starch, water, and salt in a bowl. Mix well. Step 4. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Pour in the egg mixture and cook. Step 5. Place a sheet of plastic wrap on a flat surface. Lay the cooked egg on the wrap. Add the stir-fried cabbage on top, and wrap it to shape. Drizzle with tuna sauce and mayonnaise, then top with chopped scallions. I hope you enjoy this delicious tompeyaki recipe. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.